Thank you so much today, especially Miyata Sensei, thank you so much for your important information. Today, how about this seminar? This seminar is focused on capacity building of SEAFDEC, TD, and Secretariat, and also IFRDMD staff for further their works in future. So at first, I want to say thank you for Mr. Koya, a very brief and exact purpose of activity and output of activity. And also Miss Tanyarak, Miss Ratana, and Dr. Noppon, and also Miss Jarias. Thank you so much for a very clear explanation of the project. JTF support for small-scale fisheries for more than 20 years, sometimes called community-based management, sometimes called co-management, sometimes called EAFF. Anyway, our purpose is enhance each community adequate fisheries activities and fisheries management. So this seminar, we introduce 3 projects. One is riverside, and the second is reservoir in Lao PDR, and also one coastal water in Cambodia. During 3 years, TD team make effort to support each pilot project. And today is an outline of the result of this project. So at first, I want to say last comment. These 3 projects, at least we can find fisher's mind is changed. That is very important for this project. Fishers recognize the resource management activity are beneficial to their fisheries. Fisheries recognize fisheries management committee and local regulation by themselves were beneficial to continue fishing in the region. Fisheries recognize fishing activity for the region rather than individual were expected to increase their income. That kind of message TD team make effort to explain fishers. So only 3-year activity, but I expect fishers can keep desire to enhance coastal resource management to continue fishing. I don't know, but I wish they have a key. For that purpose, fishers group activity under FMC should be supported technically by local government staff or supporters that Miyata-san said. For example, professor of a local university or local government officer. Very important to encourage fishers. So this project introduced 3 only pilot sites, but from this pilot site project, we can find universally aspects, not only pilot site, other country, other site, we can apply this method. At first, effective utilization and creation of regional resources. Regional resources is not only fisheries resources, but also a lot of natural resources, including agriculture. So anyway, strengthening fisheries resource management activity in each pilot site were introduced, and which will be able to implement by fishers themselves in the future. Our support is in future, fisheries themselves can do. So that is important point within this project. In addition, there are possibilities in the region not only utilize existing regional resources, but also creating new regional resources for increase of income or alternative income. For example, fish processing, aquaculture is a project site. That is also important point. That method we can utilize another pilot site and another region. Second remark is improvement of regional resource value. Improvement of regional resource value is expected by interaction between fishes and other related activities such as fish processing, fish marketing, distribution, aquaculture, environmental preservation activity. We have a message like that. Not only fisher, regional community support is important. And through such an interaction and develop new alternative resource, national resource, existing regional resource can be utilized with value resources. Important is to change value resources. We make effort with other stakeholders cooperatively. So it is message, second point. Third point is resource management by fisher group themselves. As we know, Japanese experience, also our 3 pilot sites, we do fishers effort themselves. Fishing management activity of fisher group are decided among concerned local fisher and residents themselves through the local FMC, Fishery Management Committee in their site. Such a procedure have motivated the fishers group in managing fishing resources by themselves. By these activities, there are possibility to collect fishing data and resources management data, mainly by fishing group themselves. That is one of important point. Fisher resource managed by themselves, they can collect data necessary. That is important point. Fourth is cooperation by supporter. In case of Cape Province, I visited, also I have opportunity to visit Cape Province for Blue Swimming Club. Professor Matsui says Hokkaido University support. So this kind of support for scientific and also universal for and local technical staff, it's very important. So anyway, such a supporter should be included in the project. Not only SEAFDEC, supporter from local university, local technical staff is very important to continue their activity in future. That is the point. A 5 point is step-by-step adaptive management for fishery resource and fishery sustainability. That is important. Mr. Koya-san explained what is the program, what is the plan, what do we do, and what is the output. So we implement the pilot project. After that, we monitoring and evaluate the feedback and identify what we have to do next step. That system is important. Not only national environment continuously change, but also human resources also change. In addition, for example, in Cape Province, we made crab bank, but Unfortunately, we don't know about octopus caught crab. So in this moment, Noppon-san explained, we adjust planning. That is important. We have to, adaptive management is important for resource management. So we have to continue implement monitoring, adjust planning, and implement the next step. That kind of activity include. The sixth is the importance of legal instrument regulation for continuous fishery management by fisher. As we know by Japanese experience, legal framework is all have been executed in Japan. In this case, Koya-san explained in Lao PDR, Fishery Management Committee authorized by Lao PDR government. That kind of administrative regulation and support is very important, encouraged strongly to continue such a fisheries resource management activity in sustainable manner. That is one point. So I think 3 pilot projects is only 3 sites, but this experience we can adapt other sites and in another country. So thank you so much for PD staff in charge. And also thank you so much for participating in this seminar on effective approach and method to promote fishery resource management in small scale fishing. So seminar is closed. Thank you so much.